Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson I'll be going over the stopping on double fathah, stopping on attain. This page is page 123 from the full Qa'idah, the full Safar Qa'idah, the one with the green cover. I've had a request to go over this page. My plan is inshallah to complete the full Qa'idah, just like we've managed to do the abridged Qa'idah, or 53 lessons, and put it into one full playlist. The plan is inshallah to do the same with the full Qa'idah, the one with the green cover. But I want to prioritize the lessons where people have requested. So if there's any area that you're struggling with, any area that you need extra help with, from the full Qa'idah, please do let me know and I'll prioritize those lessons for you inshallah. We'll get straight into it. So stopping on double fathah, there is a section on this in the abridged Qa'idah. I'm not exactly sure which page it is now, but if you look for stopping on or stopping waqf, you'll find those lessons. This is basically a supplementary lesson to those lessons inshallah. Now I don't want to go over every single sound because I would be doing all the work for you, and we probably be creating some kind of dependency, and I think that's the last thing we want. So what I'll be focusing on is the last word in each of these examples. So box number 1, at the end of this example, you've got the word hukman. Now all you do, whenever you see a double fathatain at the end of the word like that, if you're going to stop on it, you just take one fathah away. It's double fathah, take one fathah away, we're left with mim, alif and a fathah. So we've got the stretch from previous lessons. You'll know that stretches. So hukman becomes hukma. Box number 2. Here the last word is kathiran. So it becomes kathira. So you've got that 1 second stretch with the ra if you take one fathah away. Box number 3. Wasiban becomes wasiba. So instead of ban, ba. Hopefully you're seeing the pattern here. On this one, at the end of the word, waqran becomes waqra. 1 second stretch with the ra. Over here, a little bit different. Essentially, there's no alif at the end of the after the dal, but that doesn't change the rule. You still, you change the ya to alif in effect, or you imagine an alif there, and you stretch the dal as though an alif is there after the dal. So hudan, and the ya is silent here. Hudan becomes huda. There are reasons for these silent letters, silent alifs and silent yas, but you'll learn about those in the more advanced lessons inshallah, if you do get to that stage, which I'm sure you all will. Box number 6 now. At the end there we've got nida'an. So here we simply take one fathah away from the hamza, add an alif, and you've got so it becomes nida'a when we're stopping. Box number 7, tuwan. Just like the box above, just like number 5 above, the ya is silent, or you could change the ya into an alif. Think about it whichever way you want, as long as you get to the final end product, which is tuwa. So you've got to imagine, use that imagination, that creativity, to put an alif there and take one fathah away, and you get that 1 second stretch, the ah stretch. So tuwan becomes tuwa. We're on to box number 8. Aman becomes ama, just like the previous example, box number 7. The ya there is silent, or you can imagine the ya changing to an alif to stop on it. Box number 9, qadiran becomes, when you're stopping, qadira. Box number 10, wakilan becomes wakila. Box number 11, maf'ulan becomes maf'ula. Box number 12, barzakhon becomes barzakha. Barzakha, if you're going to stop on it. Okay, you just take that one fathah away, you're left with that 1 second stretch. Box number 13, tabtilan becomes tabtila. Box 14, abadan becomes abada. Box number 15, maulan becomes maula. 16, ma'an becomes ma'a. 1 second stretch on the hamza. Box number 17, tartilan becomes tartila. And last but not least, box number 18, rahiman becomes rahima. So Jazakallah for whoever requested the video, I appreciate it. Please remember me and my family and the whole ummah in your du'as in this blessed month of Ramadan. A very unusual Ramadan, I'm sure you'll all agree. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and please do get in touch if you need any extra help. Jazakallahu khairan. I'll see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.